What you see begins with what you don't. Invisible energy, where electrons dance and bonds are formed, each holding secrets for strength and resilience. We read its language, releasing the energy that lies within. Every decision taken follows a philosophy and a metallurgical discipline, with weld joints that carries knowledge and purpose. Building with foresight to fuel the future of industries where there is no room for compromise. From atoms to reality, JSF shapes the energy you see.